How do you explain to someone the love of cars and motorcycles? How do you explain the feeling you get when the engine starts, the vibrations you feel, the emotions, the noises, and lines rile up? How do you explain the fact that even though they're not human, they're as alive as you and me? They are living, breathing creatures with a soul. How do you explain that the ones you bring into your home are members of your family? How do you make someone understand that first and foremost, you are a driver? You bond with them at your core, and you get a smile filled with knowledge that your love for them means there's never any fear and only instinct and clarity. How do you explain the ease with which you can spend hours poring over Car and Driver and playing the Forza games, the F1 games, and the MotoGP games for hours on end, each year, for decades? How do you explain how right and normal it feels to sit in one and go for a drive and feel one with the car and the road and feel it all as an extension of yourself? How do you explain the cliche that gasoline runs through your veins and your heart beats and your mind runs in synchronized rhythm with the world of cars, and you can feel your mood dip or elevate based only on how intensely your internal engine feels bonded to the car world?
Dude, seriously, great driving,
Thank you
man.
so much.
Seriously, you did a really good job, man. You're nice and smooth. You were patient.
Yeah.
You were very smooth on that throttle coming back out of the turns. I couldn't ask for anything more from you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You squeezed damn. We'll go to the first row.
Oh, it's-
You squeezed damn near everything out of this car.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. That's
The
really good to hear.
I guess we'll never know.